And on the 52, I gotta weld that and this. Let me show you what I got here. Make this easy. So, I was able to get that apart, which I did really, I was impressed. So it's done. It's not done yet, but it's gonna be welded. Oh, let me see what else I got over here. A big old mess on the floor. This is the reality of Fix It Dad's garage. This is what I took apart to make this work. So, that's what that is right there. Because it's there. I'll go up and show you what it is. It fits in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'll walk on over here. So there's this little guy here. That metal holds. This little guy right here. So it had a clamp thing on it. Anyway, it goes in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, oops, I can't see what I'm doing. I'm gonna drill a hole right there. And I'm gonna put a washer behind it, and that should hold it in. If I can get this welded and it holds. I'm back. Fix It Dad here. I'm working on, I should sit it this way, maybe this way. Anyway, I'm working on the 52 hinges, and I'll show you what I got done. I got the welder to work, which I'll show you that in a minute, but this is what I've done. I've welded it twice actually, but I'll flip you around and show you. There it is. So I had a crack here and there. I'm welding all around it. I'm actually gonna have to build it up and then regrind it. My welds aren't the greatest, guys, because I am not a professional at this. And there's the other side of it, which isn't much prettier. Here's the welder. My dad gave me this thing almost 20 years ago. And I pulled it out from the back of the garage. And it wasn't working. Well, we figured out why. This here got disconnected here, which wouldn't trigger it. So it wouldn't trigger the wire feed or anything. So anyway, I fixed it. It was an easy fix. Then I went down and bought some new tips for it. And there's enough gas in there to hold me over for a while anyway, for what I had to do. But you can see there I was practicing on my daughter's old exhaust system. I was doing some more practicing. But so what I got going on right now, hope I can get this fixed. Oops, there, right there. I'll get that, grind that all down and see where it goes. And then we'll put it back together again. So, anyway, I'm going to tell you what I'm up to today. This is going to be a really short video because I just have been messed with this thing all day yesterday. So, I finally got it to work today. So, I'm going to do other stuff. So, anyway, I'm out of here. I'll be back. Bye, everybody. I'm back. So, there we are. I drilled the hole out. I got a little bit of a crack, but I've got it built up on the backside. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. This fits in right here. Goes right in here. So that's what it's supposed to do. See? So that's where the spring goes in. And this backside here, I have to drill a hole right back there. And to put a washer on it, and it should be fine. I mean, we might have to do a little bit of grinding to make it work, but I think for the most part, it's going to be fine. So, we'll see if it works. If not, I'm going to buy a pair of hinges that cost $500 because I need a hinge. And I'll also buy a kit that flips it up on the side, which you can do. But anyway, I'm going to go with this right now. I think it'll be fine. Even if I go in here, get it in there. Maybe it wasn't fit. Let's see. Yep, there it is. See? So it's fit there too. That's, it only got the side it goes on, but anyway, it don't matter. We'll figure it out here in a minute. So yesterday I messed with the welder all day and got it to work. And I think I got it working pretty good. I haven't welded in easy 15 years. So anyway, back in its corner, the miller goes. Neat little machine. A lot of YouTube videos on how to set your machine up, which actually, believe it or not, it worked. So the gas bottle had enough gas in it, the shield gas to make it through its thing. So anyway, Next step will be to put this together right here. And we'll see how that goes. I don't know where that's going to go or not. So I might do that tonight, but I doubt it. It's getting late. I got to get cars in. I could do this tomorrow or Monday or Saturday or Sunday. But anyway. So these things are cool. Look at this. So that's part of your ducking system. Yeah, it's pretty decent inside. But they're very expensive. And it's got a number. It says 3,200, I think. 82, 32. I'm going to say 32. Original color of the car. Pretty blue. But yeah. Anyway. That's it for now. I will be getting back on the rest of this stuff. I was able to clean up my... Just a kick. I'll show you guys something quick. So behind the 84, which is right here, I was able to get this all organized. So I got that all done. And this is all full of junk. And then the 84 sits back here, so I can get to it for the most part. We still got a lot of work to do on this girl. But anyway, it is getting there. And maybe, I think, Monday, or probably Tuesday, I'm going to take all this stuff and get it sandblasted. I might sandblast it, not sandblasting that, but those aren't even horns. I was supposed to do it last week. I didn't get around to doing it, so that didn't happen. But, yeah. Welcome to my world. Old cars and fixing junk. Anyway, I'm out of here. Fix it, Dad. If you like what you see, subscribe. See you guys all later. Bye.